We are solving substitution method for systems of equations. So we are looking at the second equation, which is all by itself for y. And we're going to replace that y in the first equation with the thing that I just boxed up, negative 5x minus 17. I was right above, as you see right there. So we're going to do negative 3x minus 3, and we're going to replace that y in parentheses with what we have here, negative 5x minus 15, and it's equal to 3. Now we're going to go ahead, distribute, and we're going to simplify everything that we can to make sure that it works. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite the negative 3x because that is not changing. And then negative 3 times the negative 5x is going to be a positive 15x. And then we have the negative 3 times the negative 17, which is going to give me a positive 51, equals 3. Combining like terms that we have these two, negative 3 plus 15x, that's going to give me 12x, plus 51 equals 3. Now, when I have that, I'm going to take the 51 and get rid of it by subtracting it on both sides. 12x is equal to negative 48. And then my last step, divide both sides by 12. So I get x by itself. And your x is going to end up being negative 4. So I did get that one completed. Now, what I'm going to do is go back and substitute it in. It makes sense for me to substitute it back into the second equation because I want to solve for y. So I will do that by doing y equals, it's negative 5 times x, which we just said was negative 4, minus 17. Negative 5 times negative 4 is a positive 20, minus 17. So 20 minus 17 is 3. Again, you want to make sure you double check your equations, make sure that both the x and the y substitute back into both of the equations, make sure that they're both true statements, which they are in this case. And so I want to write this in coordinate form, x comma y. So my answer would be the x coordinate, which is negative 4, followed by the y coordinate, which in this case is 3. And so my answer is negative 4, comma 3. And if you want more questions like this, find them on my YouTube channel, You Want Algebra. Check them all out under the Systems of Equations substitution method.